struggling so much here. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Meena and this is my YouTube channel. I love to make fashion, beauty, lifestyle kind of video and in this video it's going to be a simple and fresh makeup look for every single day, how to take care in few minutes. So yes, it's no foundation and same time it's kind of a signature makeup for every single day, how to do it. That's going to be a video today. Follow the right skincare, it really makes a huge difference, guys. So here I'm starting with the morning skincare routine, what I usually do in my mornings. So first I start with the cleansing. Okay, this is the serum I'm using for pretty recent, and of course I'm in love with this as well. I usually do with the water based or like a kind of a gel based because I have a combination skin. So these skincare, everything is based on my skincare routine, I mean my skin type routine. Yes guys, that's me. During my college days, I honestly didn't follow any proper skincare. Back then, it was only after college that I started learning what actually works for my skin type. And trust me guys, consistency is the key to maintain healthy skin. Always follow proper skincare based on your skin type and never skip sunscreen in your daytime routine. It's a must. That's it for skincare. Now let's move on to the makeup. Okay, in your busy days, at least follow with your skincare. That's enough. Yes guys, I'm not using any foundation here. I'm just using a bit of concealer to cover my dark circles. And if you don't have a dark circle, means you just skip this and just you can use it as just compact powder. That's enough. If in case you want to use a concealer, you really don't need much. Just a small amount is enough to cover the under eye area. I'm here, I'm blending it with my finger itself. It's super quick and beginner friendly. Filling your eyebrows makes a huge difference in your face makeup. It really frames the face. I always use a brown shade to fill them in because it looks more natural. Guys, in this video, every step it don't takes more than 10 minutes, I guess. So yes guys, I usually do this every single day. If I really want to do more than means, it takes maybe a 15 to 30 minutes as well. But this don't take more than 10 minutes. Just follow this routine. And of course, this mascara is one of my current favorite makeup products. It's just 2 steps mascara, gives a volumized look, and I even use a little on my brows to set them in place. It looks super nature. To finish, I keep it very simple, just a tinted lip balm for my lips, and why not, you can use as a blush and eyeshadow. I always used a blush. That's my that's my favorite look. So yes, I just use a pigmented tinted lip balm. This is a very pigmented and same time it looks more nature on brown skin especially. And yes, just use this. Of course, hairstyle also matters. It completes the whole look. I always apply a little hair serum to keep my hair smooth and frizzy free. Most of the time, I go for this hairstyle when I was in my college days. It's super easy, still looks quite good and put together. Perfect for busy college mornings. That's suit for every outfit as well. Complete a face look paniyacha and a hairstyle, and of course next step in earrings. So yes, I love to wear chumkas and as well as a small earrings. So today I just wear a stone kind of a earrings that suit for this look. Your perfume or body spray is like your signature smell, so choose something mild. It should feel fresh and pleasant, not too strong. A soft fragrance really adds to your overall vibe and confidence. Okay, this is the whole outfit I'm wearing today. And if you like to watch a what outfit for college means, you can watch my other videos as well. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope it's helped you, and watch my other videos too if you like skincare and beauty kind of videos, and even though you can watch my fashion videos as well. And yes, that's it for today's video. You can watch me here every Sunday, and you can watch every single day in my shorts as well. So yes, That's it for today's video. I'll see you on next Sunday with a new YouTube video. Take care. Bye bye.